Hi guys, all out of focus and dark. Just going to do a little Postbag episode. I thought I'd just capture some of the solar lights that are just coming on because the sun is just disappearing. So it's just that time of night when the solar lights start coming on. We've actually had a bit of a sunny day today, so they're looking pretty good. The ones that are alight, anyway. Because we haven't had much sunlight, so we haven't had much of a display lately. Is that one already gone? Yeah, that one's already been on and gone out. He doesn't last for very long. Can't tell if that one's on. Oh, he wasn't on, but he is now. How about that one? Have you had any sunlight today? No, you haven't. Or you've been on and I haven't noticed it. Yeah, right, anyway. I'll now put the camera on the tripod and we'll get on and do it. I'm quite pleased that one's on. That's one I didn't expect to work. But he's doing okay. Right, anyway, Postbag time. I know what it is. It's nothing terribly exciting. Just a bunch of USB leads, USB-C. And I think I've done a video before of the same sort that I bought earlier on in the year. I was just fairly pleased with them. They seem to be, surprisingly enough, better quality than the ones I pick up in Poundland. They are a bit more expensive, but they're rather nice because they're, whatever you call that on the outside. USB cable, USB-C cable, extra strong, and I bought these 3 meters long, and it was 3 for the price of 2. So yeah, that's it. So that was really just an excuse to show you the solar lights coming on and show those at the same time. Bought them originally, the ones I bought before, for going on holiday because the USB, or at least the power sockets, are never anywhere near the bed, and when you want to charge your phone and have access to it in bed, you really want the power socket a bit closer, or longer USB leads, which is how I get around it. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.